Which compact portable clothes dryer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that stand out from the crowd.
Product number 1, Mojoko Portable Clothes Dryer. Priced at $56.04, this mini dryer caught my eye with its promise of fast drying. If you're looking for a compact dryer that can handle your laundry demands without taking up too much space, this is worth a serious look. The Mojoko dryer boasts a capacity of 22 pounds and can dry clothes in just 50 minutes, thanks to its unique drying system that combines heat and airflow. This is a big deal if you live in a small apartment or are constantly on the go. The quiet operation means you won't be disturbed while it works its magic, and the built-in LED UV light ensures your clothes come out clean and fresh. But here's the kicker. Some users mention that it can struggle with heavier items like towels. Now, here's the thing. If you're primarily drying lighter clothing, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for those quick laundry needs. This dryer is ideal for you if you live in a small space or travel frequently. On the flip side, if you need to dry heavy fabrics often, you might want to consider another option. Overall, it's a solid value for those in need of a compact drying solution. Now, if the limited capacity of the Mojoko bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its larger drying capabilities.
Product number 2, Nessiger Portable Compact Clothes Dryer, priced at $99. This one stood out to me with its unique design and global voltage compatibility. If you need a reliable dryer for travel, you'll want to hear about this. The Nessiger dryer is compact and can dry 6 to 10 garments at once, which is fantastic for those on the go. With a super quiet 36 decibel operation, you can dry your clothes without disturbing anyone around you. The 4 drying modules ensure that your clothes dry evenly, and the easy setup makes it perfect for small spaces like dorms or RVs. It's designed for convenience and travel, which is a game changer for frequent flyers. That said, some users found it less effective for larger loads, but keep in mind if you're primarily drying smaller items like t-shirts and socks, this won't be an issue for you. This dryer is perfect for you if you're always traveling or living in a small space. Skip this one if you have larger laundry needs, as its capacity is limited. Still, at $99, it's a solid investment for portable drying. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a remote control experience. Product number 3, Roll-It-Twill's Mini Laundry Dryer, and it's a steal at just $32.99. This dryer caught my attention with its remote control feature. If you want a budget-friendly dryer that's easy to use, you should definitely check this out. This compact dryer has a spacious capacity and lets you dry 4 to 6 lightweight items in one go. It uses a UV technology that not only dries your clothes, but also cleans them, which is pretty neat. The drying time ranges from 45 to 120 minutes, depending on your load size, and it's designed for easy operation, making laundry day feel less like a chore. Plus, its foldable design means you can store it away easily when not in use. However, some users mentioned that it might take longer than expected for heavier clothing items. But here's the thing. If you're mostly drying lighter clothes, you'll appreciate its efficiency. This is perfect for you if you're new to laundry or need something compact for travel. Skip this if you often dry heavier fabrics, as it's not ideal for that. It's a great value, especially for its price. Now, if you need something with a quicker drying time, the next product may catch your eye.
Product number 4, Skep Bestigo Portable Clothes Dryer, which is priced at $22.99. Honestly, I was surprised at how budget-friendly this option is for what it offers. If you're looking for an economical choice that still gets the job done, this might be your pick. This dryer utilizes a PTC heater for efficient drying in as little as 20 minutes. It has 360-degree air circulation, ensuring that every inch of your clothes dries evenly. The 2-mode drying also allows you to customize the experience based on your load. This is particularly useful for energy-conscious users who want to keep their bills low. But some users complained about the build quality, suggesting it feels a bit flimsy. However, for the low price point, it's hard to complain too much if you're primarily looking for a lightweight, portable dryer. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and need a quick drying solution. Skip this if you're looking for something that feels more durable, as it may not withstand heavy use. For under $25, it's a solid choice for occasional use. Now, if you want something with a bit more power, the final product on our list is worth considering.
Product number 5, FootBuff Portable Clothes Dryer. We have the FootBuff Portable Clothes Dryer at $49.99. What drew me in was its high power and no installation setup. If you want a dryer that works hard without the fuss, this is one to consider. This dryer can handle up to 22 pounds of laundry and features a 750-watt motor that significantly cuts down drying time compared to typical small dryers. It also has an impressive capacity of drying 9 pieces at once, making it perfect for families or anyone with bigger laundry needs. Plus, the fragrance function adds a nice touch, leaving your clothes smelling fresh. That said, some reviews pointed out that the drying can be uneven if you overload it, but honestly, if you stick to the recommended load, it's a powerhouse that gets the job done quickly. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household or need something efficient for frequent laundry. Skip this if you often dry oversized items, as it might not accommodate heavy loads well. Still, at $49.99, it offers great value for its capabilities.
So we've covered 5 compact portable clothes dryers today. The Mojo Co is great for quick drying. The Nessigar shines for travel. Roll-A-Twills offers affordability. The Skepsty Go is budget-friendly, and F-Bootfike provides power. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your lifestyle best.